Guys, this is a quick, very quick, already mixed and put together street taco with just a little bit of leftover white chicken chili from Steak and Shake, Fiesta blend on top, heavy whipping cream, I'll get it right, heavy whipping cream, and cottage cheese. You can see some of the cottage cheese right there. Heavy whipping cream, cottage cheese in the mix, and it's getting ready to go in the oven for 20 minutes. These are the street tacos, and this is just what you do with your leftovers, and this will give you some yumminess to eat on during this winter winter storm named Blair, whatever her name is. Yeah, it's still happening out here in my neck of the woods. So this is something that I can just take out of the fridge, heat it up, and eat it. We'll see what they look like in just a jiffy. I heat these on 375 for 20 minutes, I believe. We'll check them. Oh, I said I'm going to forget something. I also put 2 eggs in the mix. I didn't have very many. So I put 2 eggs in the mix of cottage cheese and heavy whipping cream before I added in the remainder of the white chicken chili from Steak and Shake. Y'all, this is going to be so good. Oh, yes. Really ready, you all, to eat this. I know I should wait. It said it's supposed to wait and rest for about 5 minutes, but I'm just so excited. Look at all that yummy cheese on there. Crunchy. Okay, there you go. I'll bring you back in a minute. Ooh, y'all, I'm excited. I just want to pick it up and eat it. Maybe I'll just be a lady and use a fork, a small fork, just to give it a once over. Take a look. Ooh, the steam is rising, you all. Gotta love it. I'm blowing it. Oh my goodness gracious. Y'all gotta make you some of this. Best way to deal with a little bit of leftover white chicken chili from Steak and Shake. Or, you know, if you've made some chili and you just want to do a little extra with it, instead of just eating it with cheese and a peanut butter sandwich, make it into this treat right here. I'm going to tell you, it is delicious. Thanks for watching. God bless and stay warm.